Hey there, and welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever found yourself running late and wishing your brows could magically shape themselves, well, I've got something that might just make that dream a reality. Today, I'm talking about the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt, the eyebrow mascara that promises to give you perfectly sculpted brows in a flash. If you're tired of spending time getting your brows just right, this could be your new go-to. But is it truly the game changer it claims to be? Let's find out. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review like this one. Now let's take a closer look at this eyebrow sculpting wonder. The Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt comes with a unique mini sculpting brush designed to lift, tame, and sculpt your brows with precision. It's like a brow makeover in a tiny tube. The formula is a pigmented gel that tints your brows in shades ranging from black brown to light blonde, so you can create everything from a natural everyday look to a bolder, more glam brow. Plus, the formula is ophthalmologist tested, which is great news for anyone with sensitive eyes. It also promises long-lasting wear that holds your brows in place all day, making it perfect for anyone who's always on the go. In terms of real-world use, I found the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt to be incredibly easy to work with. The mini brush is super user-friendly, allowing you to get into every little nook and cranny of your brows without making a mess. The gel is smooth, not too thick, and gives just the right amount of pigment. No clumping or stiff brows here. I love how quickly it tames and defines the shape of my brows without having to spend ages blending or layering. Whether you're rushing out the door or getting ready for a night out, this gel delivers a polished look in seconds. But let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the brow gel has a lightweight, non-greasy formula that doesn't weigh down your brows. The hold is pretty impressive too. My brows stayed in place all day without feeling crunchy or unnatural. The fact that it's ophthalmologist tested also adds an extra layer of confidence, especially if you have sensitive eyes. The brush is also a huge win for precision. It's small enough to get right into the tail of your brow, ensuring even application. Now, no product is perfect. A downside I noticed is that the color range is somewhat limited. While the shades offered are great for most people, if you have a very specific brow color, it may not be a perfect match. Also, while the hold is strong throughout the day, if you're looking for a product that gives you that laminated wet look, this won't quite achieve that, though it still gives a very nice, natural finish. Is this eyebrow gel worth the price? Honestly, for what you get, it's a pretty good deal. It's affordable and works exactly as it claims to, delivering a quick, natural, or glam brow look that lasts. If you're looking for a budget-friendly brow gel that's easy to use and performs well, this one definitely gets the job done. In terms of comparisons, the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt stands up well against other brow gels in its price range. It's easier to use than many high-end alternatives, thanks to the precise applicator, and the formula is just as good, if not better. If you're looking for something at a higher price point, you might find products with more shades or different formulas, but for its value, this one delivers. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and compact, making it great for tossing into your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. The formula is also easy to remove with micellar water, so no worries about it sticking around when you're ready to take it off. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you found this review helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss out on more reviews like this. If you're itching to try it, the link to purchase is in the comments below. So, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to sculpt and tame your brows, the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt is definitely worth a try. It's especially great for those with a busy lifestyle who still want their brows looking on point. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.